inside your head you refuse to hear. I'm the face that you have to face, mirroring your scare. So who are you? Yeah, who are you?